Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 25th of January 2022. Today is Friday, today is Tuesday. Horrible today, horrible Tuesday. Before we start, subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget to support the channel. Don't forget to support the channel. Okay, let's check out the introduction. Before that, take a look at this. This is what happened today. Oops, not this one. Long time never put the meme already. So today I put back the meme. So very interesting what happened, what Mr. Bean saw today. KLCI big drop. KLCI big drop. So like the crash is coming. Okay, look at the introduction first before we dive into the chart. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the chart first. Oh, not this chart. What happened to my chart? Hold on. Okay, big drop. Okay, looks like the bear market coming, the crash coming already. So we got a gap down. So today institution come in Tuesday, right? Tuesday normally we see the proper direction of the trend, proper trend direction, because Monday normally we don't judge basically on Monday which direction that the trend should go for the whole week. But normally when Tuesday is a more reliable day to see whether or where the institution or where the big boys are bringing the market on which direction they are going. So you now we can very clearly see the direction already. Okay, so as expected, right? Remember we look at last week, right? Look at weekly chart, right? Okay, big bearish engulfing candle. We thought that the price might go up a little bit before it go down, so it don't even have the time to go up a little bit, straight away go down. Okay, so this one double top. Okay, double top already formed. Okay, double top already formed. Looks like okay, looks like it's coming down coming down to this 1500 to 1483. Okay, possible even lower because of the previous double top. This double top maybe haven't finished the formation yet, so it can even drop even lower. So totally Chinese New Year, you know what happened normally the market no good Okay, so let's look at Bursa. Sentiment 18 can you believe it? 18 gainers 150, losers 694 how to play 1422 billion transaction not so high, also drop 15 points, 15.55, 1.0 so Tuesday it's an institution come in there, institution come in straight away drop so much. So what institution doing running okay, 1506 okay, drop. So today all red, nothing to talk about. Consumer drop 0.84, industry 1.06, construction 0.94, technology 1.28, down. Finance 0.49, property 1.06, plantation 1.27, IDT 0.22, energy 1.26, healthcare, healthcare big drop again, manipulation. So 2.42, telecommunication 0.5, transportation 0.98, utility 0.31. So this one is totally is a horrible day. Okay, so the stock market go to HALL already today. So let's take up momentum stock, top gainers. Not many you know looking at this, you know, not many. Batu Kawan, not big volume not very big volume, 1.3, nothing much to look at. Today BNB, okay, BNB got not bad small rebound BNB. Maybe take a quick look at BNB, see what happened. Finance, BNB still can rebound, others are correcting, so it still can rebound. So it's sideways, so it still have problem breaking up here. It's still a problem breaking up 3.2 BNB. Okay, if we can goes through 3.2, maybe can fly some more. So you want to add to your BNB, maybe if it can go through 3.2, maybe can fly some more if you want to add to BNB. maybe you can add once if you can go through. So today nothing much to talk about. Genting big drop. Later we take a look. Genting also big drop. Consumer everything lah. Because consumer follow KLCI, right? So all KO already today. Everything KO. So let's check out what else. We want to take a look at BNB. Not much. This one. Great tech. All these very talk about Great tech. All these are technology I talk about these few days. A rebound, a solid rebound. Got chance to run. Annum today got some volume. Take a look at Annum. Annum got some volume. Annum not yet breakout this one not yet breakout. Still very weak so better. A breakout needed to go through here first. Go through this area. 1.04. Okay. If you can go through 1.04, then only profitable got chance. Annum. So other than that, nothing much. UWC, all these are technology rebound expected Expected. Teamwell, this golden stock continue flying. This one I don't dare to chase. Takafo slowly rebound. Airport, kurang. Okay, nothing much. We want to talk about Genting. Today Genting big drop. Genting big drop. Genting. I think a lot of people scared. That day, I remember I said this might not be the bottom. Okay, it can still drop. If it drop, you want to cut loss, you can cut loss. Or if you play, let's say you are playing the long term, right? Your long term for Genting. You will buy in little bit only, right? Remember we pick bottom, buy in little bit, then slowly we add up. Slowly we add. So this one is not one shot go in, throw in everything yet. So Genting today, big drop. Follow the KLCI big drop. Now at 2.7 cut loss already. Hopefully don't drop anymore. But I think if you continue to drop some more, I think it will continue to drop some more. This one. If you go in very big, maybe you want to cut some, okay, leave some for the rebound leave some next time, maybe once it finish all the Chinese New Year all drop, all the stock market drop. After the big drop, maybe the next up is the time that it will go up back to the high. Okay, so this one have to wait it out. Genting also have to wait it out. Today got support trying to support it, not to break down here, not to break below this stop loss here. So see what happened. Actually, it did break down below the stop loss already. So this one, remember, we don't go in big. We go in test water first, pick some bottom, keep it. If you want to cut loss, you can cut loss. If you don't want to cut loss, I will probably hold it a while and see possible, because this is recovery stock. We don't expect to go up so fast. So this one, but if you are playing a very big size, you cannot sleep already, then you might want to cut loss. You might want to cut loss first. Because not every time it happen like that. Every time it happen so good, but market is horrible. Horrible. What can I say? It's just horrible. Expected. Remember this video, right? Where I did the video. Can't find the video. I talked about the market crash, right? Where was it? Where was the market crash video? Market big crash coming, right? This one 5 days ago. I talked about this already. So you guys should know. Okay. So I think nothing much today. Genting, see, hopefully don't drop anymore because we went in big and we went in pick bottom. Genting, I think still can hope it to go up. So I'm still holding. Okay, and see what happen. Okay, so that's it for today. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.